These sheets are more complete. Identifying some of the lines will make it clearer. Adding text with leaders that point to objects on the sheet will take care of this. Select the Annotate tab and look for the dimension styles. Click the lower right corner to display the Dimension Style dialog box. Select New to create a dimension style. Name it PSDim for Paper Space Dimension. Start with the standard style, which sets the standard dimensioning values. Click Continue. The settings under the Lines and Symbols tabs are standard. These require no changes. Under the Text tab, select the PS text style so that the dimension text plots the same. All the other settings are okay. Nothing changes on the Fit tab. The standard settings for the paper space should have an overall scale of 1.0. The default primary and alternative units are okay, as well as tolerances. Click OK. Discard the override. Click OK again. Select PSDim and set it to current, then close. Verify that PSDim is the current dimension style. Select the Home tab and set the current layer to a paper space layer. This one was created along the way. Return to the Annotate ribbon. There are many leader styles to choose from. Go to the command line and type Q leader. To start the leader, click on the line to be identified. Extend the leader line out to a clear area for the text and click. On the command line, type 1 for the text box width. Then type the text. This is the proposed grade. Press Enter. Specifying 1 for the text box width provides the grips to adjust the text wrap feature. Try another leader. Add leaders on the plan view as well. Once this sheet is close to completion, create a copy by right-clicking the Layout tab, select Move or Copy, and select the sheet. Check the Create a Copy box, then click OK. Notice that the copy is placed ahead of the original sheet. Click the tab to select this new sheet for editing and rename the sheet. This sheet needs to continue from the match line on the previous sheet. Go to the Home ribbon, the Layer Manager, and turn on the viewport layer. This may take a while to regenerate. Zoom in to the plan view. Move some of the text off the sheet, just temporarily. Now the alignment in the model needs to be panned over for the new sheet. Click the Paper Model button to enter the model space through the viewport. Pan the model to the left. This part of the alignment requires rotating to fit the sheet, but do not rotate the model. Type NV Setup on the command line and press Enter. Type A for Align, press Enter. then R for Rotate View, and press Enter. Specify the base point by clicking on the Match Line station. From here, this alignment continues at about a 45 to 50 degree angle. So rotate the viewport View minus 45 degrees. Type -45 on the command line and press Enter. Press Enter again to end the command. Pan the model to align in the viewport, making sure that the Match Line station is to the left side. Verify that the scale did not change, then return to the paper space. Realign the references and text copied from the other sheet, such as the matched line and north arrow. Add another match line, and make sure that the north arrow points in the right direction. Add contour labels as required. Pan the profile in the viewport to align it with the plan view. Modify the title block and this sheet is ready.
These plans require a section sheet, so copy one of the other sheets for the border and title block. Turn on the viewport layer so these can be deleted from this sheet. A viewport is required to display a section, so go to the Layer Manager and set the viewport layer to current. Type MView and press Enter. There are many sections here. Let's fit a rectangular viewport on the sheet. Click to draw the viewport. It may take a while to regenerate the model. This looks very cluttered with text, but remember this is dynamic text. Go into the viewport, pan and zoom into the area with sections. Type Regen and press Enter to regenerate the viewport. Notice the text is rescaled. Zoom closer to a section. Now set the true viewport scale. Try 1 inch equals 10 feet. The text is rescaled to plot correctly. Return to Paperspace and finish editing the section sheet. Turn off the viewport layer so it doesn't plot on the final drawings. If it cannot be frozen, go back to the Layer Manager and change the current layer, then try again. This is a good start on this sheet. Let's save. This is a typical cross-section sheet from a set of Department of Transportation project plans. It includes all section variations as well as dimensioning. The first sheet in the set of plans is the cover. It includes the location of the project and limits of construction. The set of plans includes the cover sheet, sections, and plan profile sheets to cover the project. Now plot the sheets to PDF files. Right-click the tab and select Plot. Verify the setting. Click OK. Navigate to a location to save the PDF files. Name the files to sequence them in the order that they appear in the set of plans. Click Save. And the file is created and saved. Repeat for all the sheets, then copy the PDF files to a flash drive and take it to a printer or a company that provides printing services.